In this demo, we will use three DeskArtes split and connect commands to split a 3D model in two halves and add connectors so that it can be easily put together after printing. Sometimes one tall model is more expensive to print than two more lower parts, which can be built maybe at the same time, for example. Another reason for splitting models is that sometimes they are too big for the printer workspace, so the only way to get them printed is by splitting them in pieces. Let's first load the model into the 3D DeskArtes software. Use the file open command, and this time we use the Dino OK 3D model. Millimeters are okay for this model. And because we know beforehand that this model is correct, we can go directly to the print preparation mode without running the verification and or the repair before. Next, we select the shell in the model tree and make sure that the viewing direction is from the x-axis view. This way we can define the cutting plane by drawing a polyline in this direction. When the viewing direction is correct, we can start the split command with the print preparation menu split command, or the same command is found also in the print preparation tab in the split and connect group as the first command there. When the command starts, it makes a notification that or reminds you that the viewing direction is selected correctly, but we've been done that already, so we can select continue here. Next, the split command shows a window with different options for the operation. You can, for example, create a curved line as a cutting plane definition line. You can add teeth to the curve and so on. This time we just select polyline and press OK. And then we can draw in the polyline by giving the points by pressing the mouse left button. Let's cut from this position. When the line is ready, we press the right mouse button to finish the input operation. And the split operation is done. You can see from the model tree that there is now two shells. If you select them, you can see that the model has been split in two halves. And these are solid models, both. You can see that if you show them one by one and look from different directions. The both parts would be possible to print now separately, but because after the print they will be easier to put together if they have connectors, we create the connectors now. For that we select first the lower part and put it in that kind of position that we can see the connecting surface. Then we can start the connect command It's also found in the print preparation menu and also in the print preparation tab. The command shows a window for the parameters. For this model, we choose the connector type cone, and the connector size is a little bit too big, so we choose 10 for both diameter and length of the cone. When the parameters been set, we can show the positions of the connector pins with mouse. So we put one connector here, another connector here, and for this model, 2 connectors are maybe enough. After that, we can press the OK button. And the software creates the connectors. When the connector creation is ready, you can select the parts one by one and look them visually. And now you can see that the lower part has the pins and the upper part has holes in same positions. The parts could be now saved into separate files and sent to printer, and after printing put together using the pins.